Yo, hello everyone. Welcome back to the stream. So I'm doing this stream to showcase this VTuber tool that I've been working on. So currently I'm showcasing the Windows version of this tool. I have also created the Android version of the tool. So the main motive behind creating this VTuber tool is I want to create a virtual camera model because I don't want to show my face. There are a lot of streamers that just don't want to show their face but want to do streaming still, whether they are playing games or whatever. So that was the main motive, and I wanted that the model to look really realistic. So as I'm a game developer, I know Unreal Engine. So this is MetaHuman, which is a digital human. It is the created using Unreal Engine, which is a game engine. So basically I just linked both of them, and here's the app which is work in progress. So why I created the Android version of this app, because even my PC is not really high end. So I was thinking, for a budget streamer, how can, because for most of the streamer they have a streaming PC and a gaming PC, right? So unfortunately my PC is not that high end. So when I do streaming and gaming both, it I kind of get low frames, right? And if I'm using this app, which currently you are seeing right now, so the game frames just drops a lot. So I ended up creating an Android version of this, so you can run this app on Android for rendering this. So there's another app which you need to run, which will run on uh, this PC, which is called as Live I'll show that as well. Let me showcase you the features. So you can see we have face tracking, 1 2 3. So even eyes, left, right. Pretty accurate. There's a lot of work to be done actually. You need a pretty good lighting on your face for this to work. If you are having your hand in front of camera, it will just stop working, as you can see, right? So if I come closer to the camera, you can see how it actually works, right? If I go far, so currently I'm just standing right here. So we can add more animations. I'll be working on creating a full body, not actually full body, upper body kind of, so that we can have hand tracking too. So I'm using webcam for this. You can also use Android camera and so on. So let me showcase you the Android app as well. So let me close this up. So I also have the Android version of this app. So let me just turn on the Android device over here. You can see the quality is a bit less, but let me add my device right here to the client. So here we go. As you can see, there you go. This is running on Android. This is an Android screencasting app which I'm using. All right, so the quality is less, but I'm working on increasing the quality. This is also not bad. It actually still looks better than most of the VTuber apps, as you can see in the market. There's anime kind of apps and all that stuff, right? So yeah, also everything is same, just the graphic quality of this MetaHuman or this model looks a bit low poly or less in quality. You can see that the beard here is a bit reduced, right? So that's the point of this. So this is the Live Link app. So, and yeah, in OBS I have the VTuber here. So because that's why I made it as the green screen, right? Because it's green screen, so that in OBS you can basically hide this green screen and use this. If there are any other ways to do it, I'll look into it to improve the performance and the graphic quality of this, right? So yeah, this is the live link hub of Unreal Engine itself. Yeah, it's free to use and not really so it's taking like 2000 MB currently. We can reduce that also, because actually I'm currently using Unreal Engine in the background too. So here I'm currently using my webcam. This is not a good quality webcam. This is only 720p webcam. If you have a 1080p webcam, you will have even precise face tracking, right? So here it is actually tracking the face. You can see the blue markers, so that's how it tracks, right? So yeah, as you can see, it's 720p, and then it sends the data. So this you can download on Epic Games. It's free to use, right? There's the other app which I am making, right? So let me just open up my Windows version of this app to show you a comparison between both of them, right? So as you can see, in my OBS, it's one above the another actually right now. So yeah, the brightness thing we can control, it's not a problem. But you can see the graphic quality between both of them, right? So I can toggle the hat, the mask. So I'm working on different features currently, right? As you can see, basically the Windows version is really good. I'm optimizing this also so that you can even use Windows version. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you like this VTuber version. Right, so let me close this up. This can run in the background because it doesn't take any process, right? In the OBS, let me just say, in the OBS you can just scale yourself up just like that, and yeah, you can place it easily. So yeah, just like this, you can move around. That's a really simple process. So in the Unreal Engine, yeah, so this is the engine where we create games. Okay, so here you can see the setup of this MetaHuman, right? So even here it is working. So if there's any input lag currently, it's because I'm using a lot of instances of this. Okay, here and even here it is running in the background, right? So yeah, I'm working on optimizing it, creating its increasing its quality and stuff. I am also working on how can I add the hand tracking to this. So as you can see, it's still in progress because the hand is actually different from the body. I'm also looking at different references online. We have Code Miko, but all of them actually uses a paid version. They use bodysuit and everything for body tracking and stuff. So I want this to be completely free to use, right? And yeah, a free tool I'm planning. So yeah, if you want to add customization, maybe you guys can pay for that. So still a long term this thing is. This is just the start. And yeah, I am doing currently live streaming on my channel here. So this Sing Leveling channel, which currently I'm streaming on, right? So I am doing live streaming here, playing Apex and other games. So I'm just testing the performance of how this works, and actually working fine. I think I haven't got any problem yet. But yeah, for the Android version, I want to increase its quality, and for the Windows version, I want to increase its performance. So yes, that's about it, right? So let me just open up my Windows version and I'll just end the stream as well. All right, so yeah, that is it. Hope to see you in next stream, maybe on the gaming stream if you subscribe, or yeah, I will be working on improving this tool, and hopefully in the future we have this tool released in public for a lot of people like me who wants to do streaming but have a budget PC and don't want to show the face, want their privacy. We can change this model of how you look, right? Right? So it will be fully customizable. Whatever you want, we can create accordingly. Right? Okay, so that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Peace.